Hi guys, welcome to my channel Guy with a Plant. In today's short video, I'm just going to update you guys on the propagation of my Rhaphidophora tetrasperma. In my last video, I actually chopped up my original pot, which was sitting in yellow yellow clay, and, and into 3 different cuttings. So this is just an update to see how they have been faring, and yeah, let's take a look. Okay, so this cutting was propagated in just water, and it rooted really fast. Within a week, I see roots, and the root ball was really robust. But I let it sit in the water for almost 2 months, a little bit too long, before I've decided to pot it up. So it is now in this very airy aeroid mix with lots of perlite. And okay, the original cutting had 3 leaves. You see the one with fenestrations. So these are the 2 newer leaves without fenestrations, but nonetheless looking really healthy. And also new growth coming out. I think I can see 2 leaves, 2 growth. Yeah, so this is really healthy. So propagation in water, yes. Okay, the second cutting wasn't in water. I just put it straight into potting medium, but I gave it a wooden stick, and subsequently I added some sphagnum moss and a mesh to protect the moss from falling out. So this is to give the aerial roots something to grip on so that they can just grow up straight. And so far it has been doing well. It has given me I think 3 new leaves, the top 3 leaves, and with fenestrations. So yeah, doing well so far. Overall, this looks good. So yeah, these both pots of cuttings, I give them bright indirect light. So just natural light from the balcony door, and yeah, they get watered about every week, and they seem to be okay with that watering schedule. And of course, I've given it some slow release fertilizer. So yeah. So this is the cutting that was given the moss pole, because I thought this has the most potential to grow well up this pole. But after 2 months, it's looking really quite bad and really dehydrated looking. Despite regular watering and misting, just like the other 2 cuttings, this one is not going to be doing well anytime soon. So I kind of suspect there's something wrong with the roots. So what I'm going to do is to remove it from the pot and take a look at the roots, and we'll go from there. Okay, let's remove this baby from the pot. Check out the aerial roots. Okay, wait, I need a spoon to scoop out the potting soil. Okay, let's check out the roots. As I suspected, the roots are not looking good. Yep, I think most of them have rotted off. Yeah. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just cut it off and to repropagate it, and most likely in water, because the last cutting that was in water, propagated in water, was doing really well. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Remove the roots and put it in water, all right? Okay, so I've rinsed off the plants and the roots so you can take a closer look at the bad roots. I don't think there is any good roots here at all, viable roots. So yeah, I'm just going to remove all of them and chop it up. You know what, this cutting is too big, so I'm going to just chop it into 2 parts, and hopefully both of them can survive. Okay, I've decided to cut off these 2 super long aerial roots, maybe to just 2 inches, because this is really super long. Okay, I've chopped it into 2 parts, as well as 1 wet stick. I'm not sure whether can anything grow out of this, but there are some nodes and some aerial roots, so I hope this can still be salvaged. I'm going to put one of the cuttings in this perlite propagation. I have some cuttings of this pothos enjoy, doing pretty well. So I'm going to just put it here. You know what, it's too big, so forget it. Both cuttings are in water, so I'm just going to put the wet stick. Where is the wet stick? Here. I'm not sure whether is it too long. Well, let's try. I'm going to put this into the perlite prop box, and we shall see. Together with the pothos and joint cuttings. So I'll just keep it moist, and we'll come back again in a couple of weeks to see whether will it be rooted. Okay, thank you for watching to the end. This very short video of the update of my Rhaphidophora tetrasperma propagation. So if you like this kind of contents, I hope you can consider subscribing to my channel, Guy with a Plant, and of course to like and to comment on my videos. That will help me greatly. And yeah, meanwhile you can send me a message or comment to say what kind of contents you'd like to watch in the future. Meanwhile, stay safe, and I will see you soon again in my next video. Bye.